course we're offering here is called Basic Crime Scene Photography. It's a 40-hour course designed for both practitioners in the field that have been doing it a little while, also for novices that are just getting into the element of police work associated with crime scene investigation. The course is a 1-week-long course. It starts at 8:30 in the morning, ends at 5 o'clock every day, and we're going to start Monday and Tuesday covering some of the basics of photographic theory, and we're going to go all the way through the whole week, and as we get later in the week, we're going to get a little bit more thorough in examination quality photography, alternate light source photography. So it's going to be a lot of topics covered for the crime scene practitioner. Crime scene photography is very unique. I kind of refer to it as journalistic in that we have to bring what is there to the courts. So accurate, authentic, and relevant are the three things we need to have in our crime scene photography, and we do not embellish things that exist. Of course, it's of fact. We're trying to bring that authenticity to court. This course is geared toward the crime scene investigator who lacks some of the formal training that is necessary to do the job properly. Not only are we offering it to practitioners, but there are several graduates that are in the field trying to get new jobs as a civilian CSI. So I feel it's a great opportunity for them to build their resume and also be able to come here and get more hands-on with cameras for crime scene work. I'm looking forward to this course because in the past couple years I've been teaching as an assistant professor exclusively to graduates and undergraduates here at BCU. But where I did most of my work was in the field with teaching for close to 18 years crime scene investigators and practitioners in the adult learning arena who were actually there to go right back to their agency and do the work. So I'm looking forward to getting back to my roots and really having a good time in this course.